a white or a black guy?
Okay, Junior, baby, there's stones here. Baby, I love you. Please wait, okay? Wait. Wait. Sadiq. What's going on? Why are we fighting?
Shut up and sit down.
The category is live.
I am just an icon living.
Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I have done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes I'm giving. Cry now from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living lights of the engine on. Certain things just started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just two-time baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside and
To my channel. It's called Bonta Living and I go by @SimplyBonta across all social media platforms. Now, if it's your first time joining us, welcome. I hope you enjoyed here and you do become a part of my family by simply clicking on that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that bell so you can be a part of the notification gang. Now, as you can see by the title of this video, you are spending the weekend with me in BelaBela, and we are currently in Mabalingwe Nature Reserve. So this is home for the next 3 days. We checked in last night, but we got here a bit too late, so I couldn't show you guys anything. And then we'll be checking out Monday morning. So you guys are going to spend the weekend with us. Unfortunately, I am dressed like this because we were supposed to go for a picnic game drive and we were very late, so that won't be happening, unfortunately. However, we are going to go for a game drive later on today. Sucks, but yeah. So now we are going to change and chill, and then I'll probably talk to you guys again once we leave and go on the game drive around 4 p.m. So my outfit is from not yellow stuff, Maraba stuff, but I am going to show you guys what it looks like. I got it from Maraba stuff. It was 330. It's a skirt and a crop top. Never shot like something, no canton alone. But never shot like a go. No canton alone. What makes you think I hate you?
So what were the jelly babies going to look like on the caricature board?
I love you.
On the caricature board, what were the jelly babies going to do? They were not going to fulfill the aesthetic.
I said I love you. And I'm
I wish
for you. So
This was my heart. I couldn't believe it.
I'm sorry, sweetie. Sorry, sweetie.
They're in
Yeah, you do. So I don't know. Ah, but too.
Ah, because he's your best friend.
Bros before hoes.
Oh, okay. You must remember that tomorrow.
I am broing before hoeing.
No, you must just remember yourself. Tomorrow, when you come in case of an emergency. Ne?
Ah, friend, don't be like that.
Yeah, bros.
You know, I love you.
You call your bro, girl. You call your
But
bro.
I love her, Mom.
You call your bro.
My cracked board. And then he
That's
took us.
why were you playing the house? Why can't you just call it people?
Because you put it a cracked board. Yeah, it makes sense if you call it a cracked board.
I feel like I don't know how long. And
Yeah, Tando, you need to start having sex.
but then I'm not like stressed like you. So imagine
I'm
like
not stressed out.
no, bruh.
I'm not stressed out.
That's what she thinks.
I'm just peculiar. I'm just odd.
Yeah, it's because of diabetes apparently.
Tando, don't start shaking, please.
Shaking.
Yeah.
Why not on a red? Very, very true.
Because you start shaking.
What are you gonna eat?
I see the cocaine, but when did the crack come into
Which one,
play?
girl? Oh, nothing in here. Let me get out of your way.
No, I actually want to see what's happening here.
No, I took
what's
everything
it?
out.
What?
I took everything out.
Did I take
But
that
is
long?
making us a chichim.
But you don't eat everything, basically.
She eats.
She doesn't
Nothing.
eat pork. She doesn't eat.
She eats nothing.
Yeah.
She just eats the Holy Spirit.
Yeah, it's dwelling inside her.
Don't be talking shit like you know me. Alright,
Heck, you know, I'm so jealous of you.
I'm just a baby. This time around, we made it on time. We are leaving. It is 3 minutes past 4. We need to be there by 4:15 so we can make it in time. Well, on time or in time for the game drive. For the game drive, and I'm wearing my outfit again, my Maraba Start outfit, looking all cute like a snack. My makeup is still sitting, still looks decent. A for effort, come on. A for effort, come on, man. You tell gonna Mavis. What gonna Mavis? You are Mavis.
Which means I cannot guarantee
drinks, you are more than welcome. Please enjoy yourself. I'm just going to ask you, if you do finish it up, don't make it a flying fish. Keep the empty bottles and stuff in my vehicle, or dispose of it if we do. Okay, then as silly as it might sound, this is my vehicle. It's called Boskaart, which translates to bush pig and Bolobe. Please don't jump. This is not the Titanic.
Okay.
Okay. If you do rest your arms on the side, you are more than welcome. Please just bear in mind if there is overhanging branches that you don't get yourself into. Okay. Any smokers?
No.
No.
Yeah, there's so many. Which smoke? Like legal or illegal?
It depends on who you ask, I guess. Last thing, I'm just going to ask you if there's any allergies or medical conditions I should be aware of. Any pregnancies?
Maybe.
Not that we know of. We don't know yet. To be determined.
Okay, 100. If it's all fine with you, I am going to communicate on my cell phone with the other guys out in the field. Let's say, for instance, they do come across anything we don't. We exchange information, and therefore we make the best out of our 2 hours.
Okay. Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh, hello, baby giraffe. Hello, baby giraffe.
They don't like noise. They don't like noise.
There you go. So this is a giraffe, also known as a tutka. If you don't mind me asking, your guys' language?
Sepedi.
Savenda.
Savenda. And David.
I'm just joking, I'm not Venda. Do I look Venda?
I was about.
The father went to go buy milk.
The father's gone. He left.
He went to go buy milk, he's not back.
So, what do you think is the collective noun for giraffes? What would you call a group of giraffes?
Giraffes. A school of no.
A school of fish.
Hey Dan.
It's a school of fish.
I went It's a pride.
School of fish.
Oh, school of fishing.
A pride of
Lion.
Pride
Lions.
of lions and a pride of ostriches. But it is a journey of giraffes.
A journey of giraffes.
The whole reason for that,
A journey of giraffes.
they don't have a fixed social structure. Like an elephant, if the baby gets born in that herd, she'll stay in that herd for the rest of her life. They don't have a fixed social structure at all. No family structure whatsoever, and they're not territorial. Which means they literally come together, they walk a journey with one another, and then they part their ways.
Journey of giraffes.
Journey of giraffes.
That's interesting.
They don't teach you this. What's journey in Afrikaans?
It stays journey. And Afrikaans, alles is a trop.
A trop.
I nearly said but.
Happen never again in your school. So that's the journey of maybe Rutile.
Oh my good lord. Why give it up your own talent size? Okay. That's nice. Mata, that's what
As them or they.
You see, so it gets born the color of a mother, and then as soon as it reaches adolescence, it switches over to that color. It would freeze. I don't know if you've ever driven at night and you had the leg lights on. As soon as you shine the lights on them, they look at you and they freeze.
So in the morning, one just froze and looked at me.
Exactly. So that's their first instinct. The second instinct is to look at you and then they would run. They would run away. They would take flight. Whereas your third instinct would take flight. And if you give them no other choice, you push them into a corner and you give them no other choice.
Jacob Zuma ke.
Meneer Eric die Ramaphosa is hier zo bij jullie badelstad en die naam is niet.
Why do you call it Ramaphosa?
Because Cyril was on Pala Pala.
Oh.
Like, I just thought of Isala Zelosami and I'm just like,
He was on Pala Pala and there's a lot of... Let's go back then we might see the rhinos.
Ramaphosa. Don't vote for ANC, guys, please.
Yeah, the sun is very bright.
I'm about to go for the first time.
Are you?
I might just risk it all.
You might just. What do you even go for?
You should give me a ride, man.
Yeah, just one magnet.
One mark.
So how it works is they're as dangerous as the rest of the big five, but what makes them even more dangerous than the other is because they're so unpredictable. The one moment, so normally something like an elephant, you can read their body behavior, you can read the body language of them approaching, then you know, awa, reverse, let's play reverse. But these guys, if they look at you, it's just all of a sudden, in that one blinking of an eye, they'll chase you.
Plus, they go in herds, these ones.
Exactly. And sometimes you'll actually have them fight off a pride of lions.
Yes, I was about to say, I've seen them fight, like a lot. Yeah.
Pride of lions. They'll fight. Whereas okay, any guesses? Is this a white or a black rhino?
Black. White.
You said white, you said black.
Can't you tell by the shape of the mouth which one it is?
Well, my personal opinion.
Because we see bumps, Nicole. Please, like we just see bumps. How are we going to tell?
Nicole.
There's no white rhino and there's no black rhino. It's called a wide-lipped rhino and a hooked-lipped rhino.
Oh.
So the whole reason for that is your white rhino also had a wide jaw. They eat grass. They do need anything special. Whereas a black rhino has a little triangular lip. Looks like they pout because they need that specialized lip in order to reach for the leaves in between. So they eat leaves.
And these eat grass. Oh, they don't eat the
So
same
yes,
thing.
the most obvious difference would be to look at the mouth. But if you can't see the mouth, if you look at the physical posture of the animal,
Yeah.
where's it facing? What is it doing?
It's standing, Nicole.
With its head facing downward, eating grass,
Oh.
which indicates it's a
Okay,
white
okay,
rhino.
okay.
White rhino. So if you see a rhino, exactly, if you see a rhino eating from a tree, it would be a black rhino.
Black rhino.
Hook-lipped
And then
rhino.
if you see a rhino eating from the grass, it's a white rhino.
It's a white rhino.
Okay.
And then the grey one is doing what?
Okay.
to the pool, walking through the bushes. It's giving safari. It's giving wrong turn. It's giving wrong turn. It's giving run, bitch, run.
You're so big, you're so mal.
So bad. Mal.
Barang tu.
Mal.
Entah lang may mal. Mal sal.
Mal.
You're so big.
So bad.
Yo. Hey.
Where is the key to the door?
It's in the bag that you're holding.
Oh.
But who? Okay, 8.
That means South Africa is a home.
So we've had a very long day now. We are watching the Springboks because everyone around here has been making noise. So we figured we might as well watch it because we won. We won, Ruinne.
Nice Springboks.
Bona balla bya mathon Ruinne. So do re ka montle go ratsiwa bya no ke sure. A win is a win. But a win is a win with you.
Just like last week, we were harassed from the first half. Just like last week, we were harassed in the first half.
Well, it's a Ibiri. Give video when you
Oh, yeah.
And say, we're going to fight back. We're going to fight back. They fought, they took in their way in their plot.
Outside our window. Look at the little monkey.
Bukani bantu bokukanya. Oh.
Water so blue.
Yes.
And you know, I asked you to send me those maps.
We'll send you what? The 7 working days, my love.
Wait, let me fix this fucking knife.
Yeah, you can fix it, don't worry.
Should I put it here?
Wherever, it's fine. You can put it anywhere. And also, I feel like the tray should be facing you, not me. So you can.
Watching about when the water's so blue. When the water's so blue.
Yeah.
Like a cold one.
But I've been giving you.
A cold, like, ibandem bowl.
It's giving skin. It's giving well fed. It's giving. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah? Wow. Very much so. Wow. You can just do it. It's very nice. A couple of days, not days, hours later since the morning. It is actually 1:45 and we are going horse riding. My pants have a hole in them. Trust me, I am just as shocked as everyone else in here. I didn't even notice. So my thing is, the last time I wore them,
What happened?
what happened? Did they have that hole? And I was walking around like everything. What if kids were gonna wear a hole? I don't think so.
This is getting spicy.
So, yeah, we are going horse riding, and I'll talk to you guys once we get there.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna find your body. Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you wanna play. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I have whatever you have. Come on, save it, world. I've been watching you. I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that shit the way you do. Grab your girls and you grab a couple more. All can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, you smell it right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. It's me.
Talk to me, boy. Talk to me, boy. Talk to me, boy.
Hurry up, 'cause you're taking too long.
Talk to me, boy.
This is so nice. Wait, let's see the hyenas. Shaka Ilembe. Oh my word. This is majestic. Okay, can I come? Okay, can I just touch it? I wanted just the texture. Okay.
What does it feel like?
I don't know, maybe this is what an elephant would feel like.
So it was one of ours, but he's no longer with us.
This is so cool.
What did you put about this one?
Order more. Shaka Ilembe. Tanda says get wrong for not zipping up my pants. I'll zip them up once we are actually taking pictures, because for now I can't. I'm too fat to be zipping it up now. But this is outfit of the day. That's it. Outfit of the day, Galax Boy bag, denim shirt, denim jeans.
So you're showing people that you're disrespectful.
Air Force Ones. Okay.
So they obviously won't use a little slip.
So I want to use it.
Right, here we go. It's just your invoice for 4 adults at the 1:30 half an hour push right today.
Okay.
It is 1 o'clock now, so if you can start making your way to the stables. Yes, it's right here. You see where that black car is? So you can take your vehicle and park it there, or you can walk there, whatever is easier for you.
Let's park here.
So the stables are right there on your right.
Oh, yes, that's
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is right. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need China.
Are these the ones that we are going to be on?
I really need
okay.
I need to free my mind now. I really need China.
Okay.
I need to free my mind now.
No. You really think it was me? It wasn't my idea. You know, like, let's try something different. Etiquette was this. Okay. And then, okay.
Where are the other two?
They just went to go put their bags in the car.
Try this one.
Okay. Which one is this? What size is this?
These are the same size. 59, 59. If that one is not fitting, take this one.
It's just a different shape.
Okay, I think this one is better.
Okay.
But, yeah.
I will adjust for you.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, we are
Okay.
going to come and adjust for you.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Oh, did you adjust it? Okay.
Right.
Okay. You guys need to put on the... No, it's okay.
Hi, Barak.
Barak, what's way?
That's yours in
Gila.
Okay.
because there's a bit.
No, it's too dark.
Okay, between you two, which is more experienced or more confident? I'll put it that way.
I'm comfortable. I don't have a problem.
You've got more confidence.
The misbehaving one.
No, not the misbehaving, but they all have different
No, they are
personalities.
different, but they are fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Muloi is for this one. Muloi.
It's the best for you.
Oh, and Pulang is come.
Yeah, he is calm.
Okay. No, Sadiki was misbehaving. I don't think Sadiki deserves to come out. Oh, but which one wasn't?
Outside. Oh, the other one I was running away.
Yes.
Benji.
Benji.
Benji is a baby, so.
Oh, that's why.
It's rains around him. It's the first time he said rains around, and I wanted to take it off his head. And as I was taking it off, he didn't like it on his ears, so he ran away with it. And then
Oh.
it twisted up on his body. So what you can do is.
Yes.
So what you can do is. You
Go
can
Zing.
yeah, 60.
I want to berekis. Namer, what's it? No. What's the video?
So you're going to put both feet up on the top step. Then come up. Up, both feet on top. Then take your right foot. Just like that. So you're going to sit. I'm going to move forward now. Don't hold on to anything. Just leave there. Otherwise you're going to pull yourself back.
Hi, but why is mine so small and I'm so big? Ngiyahliza boza yami, hayi ngiyasaba. Stop, Junior. Junior, stop, Junior. We need to let Malloy pass. Stop, Junior. Stop. Okay, now we can go. Okay, Junior. Okay, Junior. Sorry, baby. Junior wants to pass everyone. Ayihluphi le yami ifana nami. Check your aura, Tando. I was not trying to say anything. Okay, go baby. Go, Junior. Junior's so well behaved. So the fire reached here. Rhinos twice in one weekend. Do you think they'll come back? We are going right into the forest. Junior baby, not these stones. Stormy baby, Junior baby. Okay, Junior, be careful. Be careful, my sweetheart. Be careful, Junior. Junior baby. What are you thinking? And another one came out of the I'm also proud of myself. Junior baby, watch your head, guys. Making my life so simple. Junior baby, I'm about to be hit by branches, Junior baby. Oh. Okay, Junior. Okay, we're doing a great job. We're doing a great job, my sweetie. We're doing a great job, baby. You are doing great, Junior baby. Sorry, baby. branches are hitting me. But I know that's not your fault, sweetie. What's the attention, Lloyd? Why have I not junior one? I'm pulling away. Julia. How? You pulled him. Yes, I saw it. Oh, there they are. They're the cutie. Someone took a dump. Who was taking a dump? Oh. Look at the wildebeest. Oh, Tando, your scarf. It scared everyone. Even Junior baby was scared. I'm sorry, Junior. I'm sorry, Junior, my love. No, Junior. Junior, where are you going? Junior. Junior, go. Go. Let's go. Let's go, Junior. Come. Let's go. Let's go. You are doing a great job, Junior. You are doing a great job. We are doing well. We did well. Tando scared you. I'm sorry, Junior. I'm so sorry, Junior baby, but you did a great job. You did a wonderful job, Junior. Okay, now you are not about to pull that stunt now that we are here. You are just going to behave and get in like a lady. Well, I'm the lady, but like the gentleman that you are. Junior, why are you staying behind?
Come, Junior.
Come, Junior. No. Let's go. Where do you think you're going? Hey, Bo. Pula. Okay, stop, Junior. Stop. Junior.
It's a DTO.
Why didn't I so begin to Oh, you touched the horses?
Yes.
Oh. Maybe I should also like wash my hands. I don't have a pocket.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Junior.
Yeah, caught live in 4K.
Junior.
Please don't forget your helmet.
The one that looks like a cow.
Oh, that's Patches.
Patches. Oh, that's how you guys call them, Patches.
Nalingal di patches.
Ruby.
Sadiki. That's Sadiki, right?
Walk out, guy.
What happens when you guys
I know
around
Sadiki. I'll never forget
each
Sadiki.
other and do whatever?
Why Ola Sala?
And then who's the last one? This one. Sudan. Oh, I can see them now. I can see them. Yeah, I can see them. All coming to get something to drink from the Blas Winkel. Hi. Konnichiwa. Bonjour.
Okay, Nungu, show me in the You respect me.
Food drink and not alcohol. Ooh, they've got ice cream. Ice cream would also slap. Give a guy chili salad.
2 liter. 35, Pimon by 22, Coke.
Ask how much Coke is. Because I just took 2 liters of it. I want some ice cream. But I can get paddle pop. Ooh. These paddle pops are gonna slap, especially this. Oh, okay, not bad. How much is a paddle pop? 23 rand for a normal paddle pop. Oh, 13 rand for this paddle pop. Paddle pop tube is 23 rand. This one is 13. Okay, I'll just take this one and then. Okay. Mo. Okay.
Mara, akuna lapha bekhona eyasebenza.
Mina ngikushiya nge-66 rand. Ngiyokala i-change ngaphandle bese ngiphumela amafuni.
Nangifuna ukwazi ukuthi abogogo ngimanga. Uncle.